The Dead Sea is a place of mystery and wonder. Nestled between Jordan to the east and Israel and Palestine to the west, it is one of the most intriguing natural phenomena on Earth. Its name is a bit of a misnomer, as it is actually a salt lake, not a sea. The Dead Sea is renowned for its extreme salinity, which is about 9.6 times saltier than the ocean. This high salt content creates an environment where plants and animals cannot thrive, hence the name Dead Sea. It's a salt lake like no other. The shores are encrusted with white crystalline salt formations that glisten in the sunlight, creating a surreal landscape. The water itself is so dense with minerals that it allows people to float effortlessly on its surface, an experience that draws countless visitors each year. People have been drawn to its shores for centuries. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and the Romans, recognized the therapeutic properties of the Dead Sea's mineral-rich waters and mud. They used it for medicinal and cosmetic purposes, a tradition that continues to this day. They come to experience its unique properties. The mud is rich in minerals like magnesium, sodium, and potassium, which are believed to have healing effects on the skin and body. Tourists from around the world visit to float in the buoyant waters and cover themselves in the therapeutic mud. The Dead Sea is known for its high salt content, making it impossible for most plants and animals to live there. However, this harsh environment has given rise to a unique ecosystem. Certain types of bacteria and microbial fungi have adapted to survive in these extreme conditions, making the Dead Sea a subject of scientific interest. But this unusual environment also creates a unique ecosystem. The surrounding area is home to a variety of plant species that have adapted to the saline soil, and the mineral-rich waters support unique microbial life. These adaptations make the Dead Sea an important site for scientific research and ecological studies. In this essay, we will explore the Dead Sea. We will delve into its geological formation, which dates back millions of years, and examine the unique conditions that have shaped its current state. From its historical significance to its modern-day allure, the Dead Sea offers a wealth of knowledge and wonder. We will learn about its formation and its unique ecosystem. The Dead Sea lies in the Jordan Rift Valley, a tectonic plate boundary which has contributed to its unique geological features. The sediment layers tell a story of climatic changes and geological events that have occurred over millennia. We will also delve into its historical significance and the environmental challenges it faces. The Dead Sea has been a site of human activity for thousands of years, with historical ruins and artifacts providing a glimpse into ancient civilizations. However, it is also facing significant environmental threats, including water diversion and climate change, which are causing its water levels to drop at an alarming rate. Join me on a journey to uncover the secrets of this remarkable natural wonder. From its mystical waters to its historical and ecological significance, the Dead Sea is a treasure trove of natural beauty and scientific intrigue. Together, we will explore its past, present, and future, and understand why it continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world. Millions of years ago, the Dead Sea was part of a much larger body of water. This ancient sea, known as the Tethys Sea, covered a significant portion of the Earth's surface. Over time, geological changes began to reshape the landscape, leading to the formation of the Dead Sea as we know it today. This body of water was connected to the Mediterranean Sea. The connection allowed for the exchange of water and marine life between the two seas, creating a unique ecosystem. However, as the Earth's crust continued to shift, this connection was eventually severed. Over time, tectonic plate movements caused the land to rise, creating a rift valley. This rift valley, known as the Jordan Rift Valley, stretches from the Red Sea in the south to the mountains of Lebanon in the north. The movement of these plates not only shaped the valley, but also influenced the climate and environment of the region. The Dead Sea is located in this rift valley, making it the lowest point on Earth's land surface. At over 430 meters below sea level, it holds the record for the lowest elevation on land. This unique positioning has a profound impact on the sea's characteristics and the surrounding environment. The Jordan River is the main source of water for the Dead Sea. Flowing from the north, the river brings fresh water into the sea, supporting a variety of plant and animal life along its banks. Despite this influx, the Dead Sea remains incredibly salty due to its unique conditions. However, the Dead Sea has no outlet. Unlike most bodies of water, which have rivers or streams that carry water away, the Dead Sea is landlocked. This means that any water that flows into it has no way to escape. As water flows into the Dead Sea, it has nowhere to go. The only way for water to leave is through evaporation. This process is accelerated by the region's hot and dry climate, which causes large amounts of water to evaporate quickly. The hot, dry climate causes the water to evaporate, leaving behind a high concentration of salt and minerals. Over thousands of years, this process has resulted in the Dead Sea becoming one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth. The high salinity creates a harsh environment where only certain types of microorganisms can survive. This is why the Dead Sea is so salty. The unique combination of geological history, climate, and lack of outlets has created a truly remarkable natural wonder. The salt formations and mineral-rich waters continue to attract visitors from around the world, drawn by the sea's therapeutic properties and stunning landscapes. The Dead Sea is too salty for most plants and animals to survive, but some organisms have adapted to this extreme environment. These organisms are called extremophiles. One example is the Dead Sea's unique algae. These algae can tolerate high salt concentrations and are an important part of the food chain. The Dead Sea also supports a variety of bacteria and fungi. These organisms play a vital role in the ecosystem by helping to break down organic matter. The Dead Sea's unique ecosystem is a testament to the resilience of life. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries in the Dead Sea. One recent discovery is the presence of white salt chimneys. These chimneys were found on the Dead Sea floor. The chimneys are formed by the upwelling of less salty groundwater. As this water mixes with the hypersaline Dead Sea water, salt crystals precipitate out, forming the chimneys. These chimneys are not only fascinating geological formations, but they also provide insights into the Dead Sea's hydrogeology. Scientists believe that these chimneys could help us understand the Dead Sea's shrinking water levels. Section 5. Ancient Secrets, the Dead Sea Scrolls and Historical Significance. The Dead Sea has played an important role in human history for thousands of years. This unique body of water, known for its high salinity and mineral-rich mud, has been a focal point for various civilizations. From the ancient Israelites to the Romans, many have been drawn to its shores, not just for its natural resources, but also for its strategic location. It is mentioned in the Bible and other ancient texts. The Dead Sea is often referred to as the Salt Sea in biblical scriptures, highlighting its significance in religious and historical contexts. These texts provide a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the people who lived in the region thousands of years ago. The Dead Sea region is also home to many archaeological sites. These sites have yielded a wealth of artifacts, from pottery and tools to ancient buildings and inscriptions. Each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of our understanding of ancient civilizations. One of the most significant discoveries made near the Dead Sea was the Dead Sea Scrolls. These scrolls, hidden away in the caves for centuries, have provided scholars with invaluable information about the religious practices and daily life of ancient Jewish communities. These ancient manuscripts were found in caves near the Dead Sea. The story of their discovery is as fascinating as the scrolls themselves. In 1947, a young Bedouin shepherd stumbled upon a cave containing clay jars filled with scrolls. This accidental find led to one of the greatest archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. They date back to the time of Jesus. The scrolls include texts from the Hebrew Bible, as well as other writings that shed light on the beliefs and practices of the Jewish sects of the time. This makes them an invaluable resource for historians and theologians alike. The Dead Sea Scrolls provide valuable insights into the history of Judaism and Christianity. They offer a rare glimpse into the religious landscape of the Second Temple period, a time of great diversity and change in Jewish thought and practice. They are a testament to the Dead Sea's enduring cultural and historical significance. The scrolls continue to be studied and analyzed, revealing new information and sparking debates among scholars. Their discovery has not only deepened our understanding of the past, but also highlighted the importance of preserving our cultural heritage for future generations. Section 6. A Shrinking Sea: Environmental Challenges and Conservation. The Dead Sea is facing serious environmental challenges. The main challenge is the shrinking of the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is shrinking at an alarming rate. This is due to a combination of factors. These include drought, water diversion, and mineral extraction. As the Dead Sea shrinks, it leaves behind a landscape prone to sinkholes. Efforts are underway to conserve the Dead Sea. One proposal is to build a canal to connect the Red Sea to the Dead Sea. This would replenish the Dead Sea's water levels. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving this natural wonder for future generations. Section 7. Hope for the future, the Dead Sea's revival. Despite the environmental challenges, there is hope for the Dead Sea. Scientists, engineers, and policymakers are working together to find solutions. The goal is to stabilize the Dead Sea's water level. One ambitious project involves building a canal. This canal would transport water from the Red Sea to the Dead Sea. The project aims to replenish the Dead Sea's water. The project also includes plans for desalination plants. These plants would provide fresh water to the region. The hope is that these efforts will help to revive the Dead Sea and ensure its future. Section 8. The Dead Sea in Culture and Tourism. The Dead Sea continues to captivate people's imaginations. It is a popular tourist destination. People from all over the world come to experience its unique properties. Visitors can float effortlessly in its salty water. The Dead Sea mud is also famous for its therapeutic properties. The region surrounding the Dead Sea offers stunning landscapes. The Dead Sea is a place of natural beauty and cultural heritage. The Dead Sea has inspired artists, writers, and musicians. Its story is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. It also highlights the importance of conservation efforts. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is a unique and precious natural wonder. Its formation, ecosystem, and history make it a place of global significance. The Dead Sea faces environmental challenges. However, there is hope for its future. Through conservation efforts and sustainable practices, we can help to preserve the Dead Sea. It is our responsibility to protect this natural treasure. The Dead Sea is a reminder of the power and fragility of nature. Let us work together to ensure that this natural wonder continues to inspire and amaze future generations.